Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to sync your customer data, deals, and contacts between both platforms automatically, eliminating manual data entry and keeping your teams aligned. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. If you already have an account, you'll see a login button on the right-hand side of the screen. Click that to sign in. If you're new to HubSpot, click on Get Free Hubspot CRM to create your account first. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your customer relationship activities. Now let's head to the HubSpot marketplace where you'll find all available integrations. Move your cursor to the upper part of your dashboard and look for the marketplace icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select HubSpot Marketplace. This marketplace is where HubSpot houses all third-party integrations, making it easy to connect your favorite tools and platforms. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Type Salesforce into this search bar. HubSpot will display a list of results related to Salesforce. Look for the official Salesforce integration and click on it to open the app page. This step ensures you're selecting the right integration, as there may be other Salesforce-related apps in the marketplace. Before installing anything, take a moment to review the app details on this page. You'll see important information about what data can be synced, typically contacts, companies, and deals. Pay attention to the permissions required, as this will tell you what access the integration needs to function properly. Also, check the pricing structure to make sure it fits your budget and scroll through user reviews to see what others are saying about their experience with this integration. This review step is crucial to avoid any surprises later. When you're satisfied with what you've seen, click the Install button on the app page. This will redirect you to a new tab where you'll be prompted to log into your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce credentials and proceed. Next, you'll need to allow the necessary permissions and authenticate the connection between HubSpot and Salesforce. This authorization step ensures both platforms can communicate securely and sync your data automatically going forward. And that's it. You've successfully set up the integration between HubSpot and Salesforce, creating a seamless flow of information between your marketing and sales platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.